Hi, welcome back, guys. So, in this video, we are going to learn how you can make a contact group in a Samsung device. So, there might be some of your friends you need to call them, uh, call all of them in a while. So, you can apply this method to make a group and then call them. So, you can also check the video description. I'm going to leave the comments, leave the instructions there as well. So let's jump right into the video. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to your contacts, then you just need to click on this plus icon. uh, so what you need to do is you need to click on this three bars, and you just need to click here at groups. You can just add then plus create group, and you can add group and then my friends, name it my friends, and you can just add member whatever you want. Adding him, done, and save. So these are my group of my friends, and you can call them whenever you want. So there you go. This is how you can make a group in a Samsung device, and this is the easiest method that I know. And you can comment down below in the comment section if you know a easier method. And be sure to subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you.